Welcome back to No Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can list multiple rooms on Airbnb. Let's say you have a house which has 2 rooms and you want to list the entire house on Airbnb. So if someone wants, they can rent the entire house. Also, if someone wants, they can just rent one room, or you want to sell the other room as well. So you basically want to rent the rooms individually. And if someone wants, they can rent the whole house as well, right? It can be done very easily. For this, you will need to create 3 listings. One listing for the entire house and then one listing each for the rooms. So you will have 3 listings all together. When you're creating the listings, you don't have to do anything special. These 3 listings will be as they are. For example, listing number 1 will be listed as a house and you will list 2 and 3 as rooms. When you're listing them, you will just choose what kind of space it is. You will choose rooms. That is simple. Just create 3 listings, 1 house, 2 rooms, but the magic really happens when you connect their calendars. And after this, I will explain you how you connect the calendars. You will have one parent calendar and you will connect the child calendars to that. What will happen after that? As soon as you receive a booking for the parent listing, it will automatically block both the child listings. Or let's say if you receive a booking for this room, it will automatically block the entire house for bookings, but it will keep the second room open for bookings. So let me show you how this is done on Airbnb. Try and do this from a computer because Airbnb phone app is not suited for things like this. Once you're logged in, just click on switch to hosting on the top right. That will take you to your hosting dashboard, and then click on calendar. That will open up the multi-calendar view where you will be able to see all your 3 calendars in one view. In my case, these properties are not actually related to each other, but I have chosen an account with multiple listings so I can explain it well to you. Let's assume this 4th one is my main house and the other 2 are the 2 rooms in that house. So you need to click on the main house first. That will open up the big calendar view. On the right hand side, you will see pricing and availability tab. Click on availability and then scroll down. At the bottom, you will see connect calendars. The first one is connect to another website. You can ignore that for this exercise. The second is connect multiple Airbnb listings. Now, this is the option we need to go in. This option will only appear when you have multiple listings in your Airbnb profile. If you just have one listing, you won't see this option, right? Let's just go in there now. As soon as you click on that, the next screen prompts you to choose the main listing. In my case, I will say this is my main house, and then it prompts me to enter the 2 rooms in that. So I will say this and this. These 2 rooms are part of the main house. And then you just click on link calendars. That is all you need to do from your end. Main listing is this and the link calendars are these 2. From this point onwards, everything else will be taken care of by Airbnb, which means if you receive a booking for the main house, it will automatically block your calendar for these 2 listings. Or if you receive a booking for any of these 2 listings, it will block the main house for bookings, but it will keep the other room open for it. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.